In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a Basecamp project. We'll walk through the basic steps you need to follow whenever you want to change a project's name, description, tools, or even archive or delete it. I'll go slowly and explain what each part does so you feel confident making updates without worrying about breaking anything. First, start by opening Basecamp and heading to the specific project you want to update. This might be a client project, an internal team space, or anything else you've already set up. From your Basecamp home screen, look for the project card or name in your list and click into it. Make sure you're inside the correct project before making any changes, so you don't accidentally edit the wrong one. Once you're inside the project, look toward the top of the screen for the menu represented by 3 dots, usually in the upper right corner. This is the More Options menu. Go ahead and click that 3-dot icon. This is where Basecamp keeps extra controls that you don't need all the time, including the settings for your project. After you click the 3 dots, a drop-down or small menu will appear. From here, choose the option that says something like Edit Project Settings. The wording might vary slightly depending on the version you're using, but it will clearly mention editing or settings for the project. When you open the project settings, you'll see several fields and options you can adjust. Here, you can change the project name if you've rebranded something or want a clearer title. You can update the project description to reflect new goals, timelines, or context so that anyone who joins later understands what the project is about. You can also choose which tools are visible in the project, such as message boards, to-dos, docs, or schedules, so that the project layout matches the way your team actually works. And if the project is finished or no longer needed, this is also where you can archive or delete it, depending on how permanently you want it removed. Be careful with archive and delete options, and only use them when you're sure you're done with that project. After you've made your updates, scroll down and look for the button that says Save Changes. Click that to confirm everything. If you close the page or navigate away without saving, your edits won't be applied, so always double-check that you've hit Save. That's all you need to do to update a Basecamp project.